Welcome to our review of the upcoming 2025 Bentley Continental GT. This luxurious Grand Tourer continues to embody elegance and power, setting the standard in its class. Let's delve into its key features, performance, design elements, and unique selling points. The 2025 Continental GT maintains Bentley's iconic styling, showcasing a bold front grille and sleek lines that exude sophistication. Its elongated silhouette enhances aerodynamic efficiency, while the signature LED headlights add a modern touch. Inside, the craftsmanship is unparalleled. Hand-stitched leather upholstery, natural wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. Every detail is meticulously designed, connectivity and navigation. It includes a premium sound system that ensures an immersive audio experience. Moreover, advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist enhance safety while maintaining the thrill of driving. Under the hood, the 2025 Continental GT offers two powerhouse engine options. The first is a robust 4-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 542 horsepower, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. For those seeking ultimate performance, the 6-liter W12 engine roars with an impressive 626 horsepower, achieving the same sprint in a mere 3.6 seconds. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing smooth shifts and incredible responsiveness. The driving experience is truly remarkable in various conditions. The adaptive air suspension absorbs road imperfections, offering a serene ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding roads. With multiple driving modes, you can tailor the driving dynamics to your preference. What sets the 2025 Continental GT apart is its blend of tradition and innovation. The ability to customize every element from materials to finishes allows owners to create a truly unique vehicle. Bentley also emphasizes sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials without compromising luxury. This commitment to the environment is a significant selling point for discerning buyers. In summary, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT is not just a car, it's a statement of luxury performance and craftsmanship. With its striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, it stands out in the competitive luxury market. Whether you're driving it daily or taking it on long journeys, this Grand Tourer promises an unmatched experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the launch, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are you most excited about with the 2025 Bentley Continental GT?